Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Keep it nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to start putting our hands on our hips. We're going to rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Then the other way. We're gonna keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're gonna bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're gonna bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're gonna go down to one side. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Jariet, Kenya. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. Hi, everybody. So welcome to the next part of the lesson. Now, in this lesson today, we're going to work on our front stance. Okay, now before we do front stance, we're going to do Jariet, Kenya. Awesome. All right, now, when we do traditional stances, we're gonna start with something called 준비. I'm gonna say 준비. Awesome. All right. So when I say 준비, we're gonna take our feet apart like this, both hands up here, and punch them down like this. Okay, let's stay together. Jariet, 준비. Awesome. All right. So we're gonna practice our front stance. So I want you to take your hands, put on your hips just like this. We're gonna take our left leg. We're gonna take a step forward, and we're gonna bend our knee. Now, when we bend our knee in a front stance, our back leg is locked, and and our front knee is bent. Now I want you guys to bend over your toes, just like that. This is a front stance, okay? Now let's do the other side. When you do the other side, it's the same thing, all right? You're gonna lock this leg out, both toes pointing straight, bend this knee just like this, okay? So we're gonna practice this combination. We're gonna practice a low block followed by reverse punch in our front stance, okay? So let's start with Junbi. Junbi, good. Now we're gonna take this arm, cross it on top. We're gonna go this direction first. We're gonna go bend the knee, front stance, low block, aim. Now keeping the stance, reverse punch. Awesome, let's do that again. Again, ready? Paro, that means back to Junbi. Cross this arm, look, low block, aim, punch. Awesome, again, Paro. Good work. Ready? Cross this arm, look, low block, aim, punch. Excellent job. All right, let's try the other side now. Ready? So Junbi. Good. Cross this arm on top, look this way, low block, aim, reverse punch. Excellent job. Let's do that again. 2 more times. Ready? And cross this arm on top, look, low block, aim, reverse punch. Nice. Good job. 1 more time. Ready? Let's have a race. So you can be fastest. Ready, Junbi? Cross this arm on top. Ready? Low block. Reverse punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. Good work. You guys ready to play a game? All right. Here's the game we're gonna play. So I'm gonna hands up like this, Junbi. Awesome. All right. So here's what we're going to do. There's gonna be some enemies coming from this side and this side. What we have to do is we have to block their attack, throw a punch, and go on the other side. Block their attack, throw a punch. Okay. Let's do that together for 30 seconds. Ready? And go. Low block. Punch. Good job again. All right. This side now. Low block. Punch. Awesome. Good job. Ready? Low block. Punch. Awesome. Good job. Good. Low block. Punch. Awesome. Good work. Ready? Low block. Punch. Awesome. Good job. And go. Low block. Punch. Very good work. 10 more seconds. Low block. Punch. Awesome. Good work. Almost done. Low block. Punch. Good. 1 more. Low block. Punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very good job. Awesome job, you guys. Let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way.